Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find f of g of h, where f of x is equal to tangent of x, g of x is equal to x over x minus 1, and h of x is equal to the cube root of x. So f of g of h, the composition, is equivalent to f of g of h of x. And writing it this way helps us realize what we have to do. So first we plug in h of x. So this is f of g of h of x is just the cube root of x. Now we can take g of this, g of the cube root of x. So this is f of the cube root of x over the cube root of x minus 1. And then we're taking f of this fraction, which is just the tangent of it. So the composition of these three functions is tangent of the cube root of x over the cube root of x minus 1.